This is the weekly Forex recap for Friday, July 20th. Let's do this. What's up, folks? Mark here at Dino Trading. Before we get started on this week's recap, I want to remind everybody on the pip calculation, what I call the pip calculator. I receive many questions almost every day on how to calculate pips and relate them to dollars or euros or whatever currency in your own country of residence. But typically, I want to make it clear that if you're trading a standard lot, which, by the way, that's what most professional traders trade, is a one standard lot or more, on most pairs, one pip is the equivalent of a $10 American dollars in profit. Okay, so as an example, 170 pips, $1,700. 90 pips, $900. 250 pips, $2,500. So that is the general pip calculation on how pips translates to profit. So let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for watching this video, and to all of you, I wish you many pips.